Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best lawn spreader you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best lawn spreader in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Spreader. Scott's Turf Builder EdgeGuard Mini Broadcast Spreader is tiny, light, compact, and easy to store in a small space thanks to the fold-down handle that comes on the spreader, which weighs 1 pound and dimensions are 16 by 20 and 45.25 inches. It's designed to hold up to 500 square feet of lawn-related products, meaning it is suitable for yards with a total area of up in size of 10,000 square feet. The spreader's control panel to set precise rate settings to ensure more precise coverage. The EdgeGuard feature restricts coverage to both sides of the spreader, preventing grass treatment spreading on flower beds or sidewalks. It is priced at a reasonable cost and is set to be calibrated. If not being used, the handles fold up for storage. The narrow hard wheels did not move as smoothly over uneven terrain as the air tires. Additionally, the last bits of the product can stay on in the middle of the spreader due static. Our second best lawn spreader is Scott's Elite Spreader. The Scott's Elite Spreader with 60 pounds of material, that's enough to fill 20,000 acres, you'll get your work completed in a short time. The secret to the spreader's speedy operation is its twin discharge design that lets it put on the job twice as quickly. It has a consistent 6-foot wide route. The spreader is ideal to spread all kinds of substances, including rock salt that is corrosive and products made of ice. The ergonomically designed handle is comfortable and comes with the ability to hold your smartphone so you're able to remain connected while you work. These soft wheels move better on a variety of terrain than the hard plastic wheels that are found on lesser Scott spreaders, but they don't work nor do they have air-filled tires. This could be a suitable all-purpose spreader for suburban yards, particularly in cold conditions. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Scott's 76565 Drop Spreader. The classic drop spreader by Scott's features an enormous, high-quality plastic hopper that can hold enough material for up to 10,000 square feet. The 22-inch spread pattern offers great coverage and precision that users can control using the gate controlled by cable at the handle. It has dimensions of 18 by 32 inches by 47 inches. The user can choose from the spreader options of 23. To operate, push on the handles to release the hopper, then let your grip loosen so that the stream stops. It has laid a very uniform path of fertilizer, however you must take care to ensure that there are no the possibility of gaps between coverage. Similar to the other Scott spreaders, the one featured here has wheels made of hard plastic that can have to contend with uneven terrain or even a patch of grass. The tubular frame is robust and durable, however the other components are mostly lightweight plastic. This spreader could be the perfect option for use infrequently on a smaller property, particularly where a lot of plants, walkways as well as tree rings and other obstacles divide the lawn. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Scott's Whirl hand-powered spreader. The Scott's Whirl hand-powered spreader is an ideal tool to use all year round for small-sized yards. Its compact size of only 13.1 by 8.7 inches by 8.5 inches, and weighs in at just under 1 pound. It's sturdy and is easy to keep in storage. It's made from plastic to allow users to apply fertilizer and ice melt and many other products without having to concern that they'll corrode the spreader like they would with their metal counterparts. It occupies almost nothing in storage and is extremely easy to use. Fill the hopper with material, press the trigger, then move the handle to control it. Adjustment dials control the width of the opening and trigger opens the gate of the hopper and releases the material when you crank the base plate. A wrist restraint slide out was able to stabilize the hopper and reduce fatigue when conducting tests. This could be a useful device for patching up bare spots with grass seed, for treating smaller or hard to reach grass areas as well as spreading ice melt products. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best lawn spreader list is AgriFab Smart Spreader. The AgriFab Incorporated 130-pound tow spreader will help you grow the beautiful lawn that you've always wanted. The best time to use a spreader is in the spring. For optimal results, spread grass seed over bare areas when needed. In the summer, fertilize and feed when necessary to enhance growth. An enclosed gearbox prevents spreading grass seed or fertilizer from disrupting activity. The AgriFab 130 pounds tow behind spreader will last you for years to come with proper care and use. With the original AgriFab solid rod activated on-off flow gate control that can be operated from the tractor seat, the precise setting adjustment, smooth operating enclosed tapered gears and rust-proof poly hopper, it provides consistent spreading for years of use. For all that heft, the spreader weighs only 6.81 pounds and measures just 48 by 27.1 by 33.6 inches. Depending on your speed and application, this spreader can cover 25,000 square feet of the ground. For details, let's watch more.